We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up SAM stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. Price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Followed up with the midpoint. Also adding second level lows. And also adding third level lows. So let's zoom in the price to see what's going on. So on the monthly time frame, price action identifying as a bullish green candle. Second last candle is a doji. Price action is engulfing that second last candle. It also broke the second level lows of that SR line. So we got to identify what's happening in that area, and there's also a pattern happening in that area as well. So price action is currently sitting at 402.28. So if price pushes up further, market can head up to that midpoint of that area, which would be the numbers of 418.66. And we can see, yep, so markets are between that area currently right now, below midpoint. So if price action works its way up further, we know it's headed up to that midpoint, so it'll complete that and push up further out that area of that double bottom of that first, second, third, and we can see that market push up further. So once the market breaks the midpoint, we're looking for a candle to identify a retest or a full retest back to the area before price makes it to the next area. If not, market can be running to a rejection at that midpoint, which will be identified as the break, the retest, market broke, retest, market broke, retest again, and it could come down from a triple top or a double top and a retest. Working our way to the weekly time frame. So price action on the weekly time frame is identifying as a bullish green candle. So we can see that that market did break that SR line, so it's completed that full double bottom for that overall first, second, third, and we do see that fourth leg push up, broke against the previous side. So we're going to see how far this momentum has with this candle to push up further, or is it going to identify a retest coming up soon to push that market up further. Now if not, that market still has enough momentum to pull back and be rejected at this area to come back for another retest to push up, unless price breaks that SR line. Working our way to the daily time frame. So price action on the daily time frame identifying bullish green candle. So with the market identifying that it did engulf, like a little bit of a gap in the market, but the market did engulf that second last candle, broke through that resistance, turned to support line, but we still ain't follow up and see some type of retest for that market to have enough more momentum to push up further. So as we're looking for a retest to at least, and we'll put a SR line within that, we're looking for a midpoint near that, at least to that midpoint of that price action candle to come back down, identifying that area to push up further. If it breaks that midpoint, so it's headed down back to, was that second level lows, but it can still be respected at that bottom of second level lows to work its way up for that last time. Because if it doesn't, the market is breaking back down to the opposite end, and we got to wait to see what's going to happen. We're going to wait to the 4-hour time frame. So price action on the 4-hour time frame is identifying as a bullish green candle. So as price action bullish green candles identify as a doji, so it's indecisive. We don't know if it's going to retest or break up further. So we put that area into a zone. So what that market is identifying is that we do have that market broken to that SR line, identify as a chopped up, but first, second, third, fourth, we have that double bottom, second last candle push up, price action coming back to retest. Now if it's engulfed the bullish green candle, we'll see that market work its way up. So we're looking for engulfment to engulf that second last candle, break out that zone. If we get the engulfment to the downside, markets will work its way back to at least that midpoint to create some momentum to see if it's going to push back up further. Working our way to a 3-hour time frame, same as well. So we're seeing as price action being a doji. So it's sitting on the midpoint of that zone. Okay, so third last candle pushed up, second last candle pushed up, and broke into the zone to at least the midpoint. Price action retesting that midpoint, and if it's respected, we'll see that market identify that push, the retest, and market pushes up further. If not, then we can see that price action works way down. We do have a bullish green candle, so we have to see what the market's going to do next. Same candle on the 2-hour time frame. Price action has a long wick up to that top side. Second last candle has that long wick to that bottom side. That's why it's identifying as a doji on the 4-hour time frame. So you definitely want to see something engulf the price in second on this 2-hour time frame to work that market up or down and break through that zone. Same as well on the 1-minute time frame. Long wick up to the top with price, long wick down to the bottom with this second last candle. 30-minute time frame. So price identifying that it broke into the resistance of that zone, that bottom of that zone, stopped at the midpoint, came back to retest, and then pushed up further, and price is sitting as a retest at the area of the resistance near the second level highs of that zone area. So we got to wait until the market see if it's going to engulf to the downside, follow with a consolidation, or engulf to the top side of that price action, work its way up. Same as well on the 15-minute time frame. So for 15-minute time frame is identifying that it lost a lot of momentum to that top side. So it spiked up and came back down to second level low. So there's another level in there, and we'll put that there so you can take a look at what's going on. So we have second level lows in that area. Market tagged it and then lost momentum and hanging within that area. So we'll look at to see what's happening on the 15, and now we can see why that market's spiking down, but it can still have enough momentum to still push up. We can always identify as a retest. So market spiked up with that second to last candle to that high of that zone, came back to retest that second level highs. Now it could identify a break or retest, the market can push up, or if not, you can see price action would head back to that midpoint. 3-minute time frame, same as well. Market push, it came back to retest. Price action identifying because it broke that second level highs to that downside. Market identifies retesting that bottom. So either going to push down further, or this price action will have enough momentum to work its way back up, engulf the second last candle, third last candle body, and maybe that some of that third body wick to really push that market out of that zone. 1-minute time frame, same as well. So we can see that structure's trying to form. So it's like a head and shoulders pattern. First, second, third, fourth, retest, and market could push down after that from a head and shoulders pattern or triple top. But we can see price action, bullish green. So trying to engulf, so it's just identifying as the break as a retest. So we gotta wait till price break to the opposite side of the 1-minute time frame, unless it follow up with a bearish red candle to push market down. So market just consolidating, looking for the engulfment towards a price second, third, fourth, or fifth to last candle on the 1-minute time frame. Very important information. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. SAM Stock.